I'll show you how you can use your bank statement as proof of address. Now, typically with a proof of address, you usually need 2 or 3 documents, right? So for example, here, the 2 or 3 documents will of course be one of your bank statement, but you'll also need to add a couple of other documents as well, like a company payslip, a car or home insurance policy, letter of employment, things like that, right? Just to prove that this is where you actually live and it's a proof of address. It's in the name, right? You can see on the proof of address, it's typically just like that, like a utility bill, a bank card or statement, a photo driving license, things like that, right? So, of course, a bank of statement will be part of the proof of address, but you usually need to use 2 or 3, right? So it can't be just a bank statement. You will need to pair it or have it come in groups with all of the other things here. But if you're looking to get on how you can use a bank statement, you'll usually get this in the mail, right? They'll usually mail it to you. But if you can't find it, then you can go to your online banking service, right? So if you use American Express, of course, go to the online banking service. If you have any other banking statements or you use other banking institution, then of course go to their online banking and then you can go from there, right? It's impossible for me to give a tutorial on every way you can get a bank statement on every online banking because all of the things will differ. But if you go to American Express, this is their online banking. You have to add in your user ID, your password, your account type, and then you just have to log in, and then it should show all of your bank statement right there. You can print it out and you can use it as proof of address. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.